You know, when my co-founder and I went into this, we didn't want anything about the store to be a gimmick. And so for us, we've seen that our ready-to-wear sales, which is actually a smaller portion of our business overall, are about 40% of what we do in the store. So we really attribute that to the interactive mirrors, the fact that you can try on a size, see how things are paired together, and walk out. If you know, most women don't know how to put things together. So with me helping you in there, you know, you come out of there with a lot more.
How did you come at the idea? Because so many retail stores right now, I think, are struggling to figure out, how can I make this a better experience? How can I bring people in when you could just go online in your PJs and order something at 11 o'clock at night?
I mean, I think that by nature, humans still want to go out, do something, feel a sense of community. So we know that she's going to come to our store. Maybe she won't purchase that day, but she'll experience the brand, she'll touch and feel the product, and then we want to ease her pain points in the store. So champagne definitely helps. Green tea and coffee, you know, what we serve to you. But then when you get into the dressing room, being able to, again, not have to stick your head out, especially in the wintertime, and put all your clothes on to get a new size, check out seamlessly, you know, using your phone in the near future, just tapping it, and really just going through what are the key pain points that women have, adjustable lighting, and then those are the things we want to address, not a bunch of other flashy lights.
In terms of sort of modernizing things, and as we've discussed, using tech to change the sort of way you operate, I've seen some comments you made recently as well around Fashion Week and saying that that's a bit dated and you're trying to move that forward in terms of how quickly people can get things that are available.
Yeah, so we switched our Fashion Week basically almost 2 years ago. We said, you know what, she should see it, she should be able to buy it right away instead of waiting 6 months and having it be copied by fast fashion. So we really changed our whole calendar to bring you stuff that when it's our show and we have, you know, the millions of eyeballs on that show, that she can get it right then and there.
How much is loaded into that technological solution? I'm wondering, you said you have me in there. If you say I want something to go with this, is that actually just an electronic kind of signal for you to offer something, or is there some kind of an algorithm that says, oh, we think this is the right combination?
So everything that we show on our website, all the combinations and styling, is what is fed. It's pulling from there. So anything, when I say me, it's me because I oversee all the look and feel of, you know, how we put together, you know, the models and how she's going to look at the end of the day. So it is me, even though I'm not literally there with you.
And do you think the technology scales? And by that I mean, I saw the store. The store is very high-end, New York fashion look with relatively limited number of items out on the floor. If you had to take that to a department store, could you do it, or would it be a mess? I mean, I don't know how many individual offerings there are, you know, but it's relatively limited compared to going to the women's department at Bergdorf's, let's say, or something like that, right?
Totally. I mean, we have downstairs in our store tons more SKUs that if you were to request something, automatically it'll change, you know, what's brought into the screen that pulls up. And a department store could do it. It's really just about if they want to take everything in that store and load it into the mirrors. And it's not that big of a lift if you have the team to do it.
So you have a lot of handbags in that store.
Yes.
Where are they made? Are they made in China?
Yep.
So you've got to be watching the tariffs that just went through include
Definitely.
handbags.
Yes, they do include handbags. So we are working aggressively to figure out what we're going to do to move things elsewhere. And it's going to take us a little bit of time to figure that out. But I went to Washington, D.C. to testify almost 2 weeks ago. And you see, you know, the impact that it's going to have to the American economy, and it's punishing, frankly, the wrong people.
Are you going to, in the meantime, have to raise prices, or?
We're not looking to raise prices. I think we're willing to take a hit because it's not fair to pass off this punishment to our customer.